Hey guys, here's a Casablanca Concentra ceiling fan in brushed nickel. This fan is from April 17th, 2003. Has a 4 light kit on it. It's a 3-speed fan. This is one of Hunter Blanca's models with the spinner motor in it. And I picked this up off of Marketplace along with a couple other fans. This one came kind of complete. It came with the canopy, but it was missing the crossbar. And this fan is in pretty rough shape. I'll show you right now, actually. First of all, it was installed in the kitchen, so there is lots of grease on top of the motor there. You can probably see the darkness of it, as well as on top of the blades. Probably even see all that. It's fairly rusty because the guy stored this in his basement. So there's some rust there. And on the light kit. There's a big crack in the light shade there, unfortunately, so I'm probably gonna have to throw that one out after the video. But that's besides the point. Here to demonstrate the fan. Get the camera to be straight, that'd be great. Okay, so here's the light. Just have 4 light bulbs in there, nothing too special. That's that. Here's low. It has a slight hum, which is known for these Hunter Blanca fans. But it's just the way it's gonna be. I've given the slight thought of painting this fan black, because I think the black would look really nicely with those blades. Not exactly sure what finish the blades are, but they would look good with a black fan. So I might do that. It's about low speed. Medium. Just moving a decent amount of air. I'm feeling it over here. It's wobbling a little bit. It's gonna wobble because the blades are at a clock. And that's not the original mounting bracket up there. Crank it up high. It really gets moving on high. I remember seeing these when I was little. I can't remember where. I know I saw them around though. So I guess you can kind of say these are childhood fans. Shut it off. Stop it. Blades. The bottom side of the blades isn't too bad, but the top is really greasy. See that? There's the top of the motor there. And that's really about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.